Hi guys, this is just a quick one guys. I want us to talk about something that many of you are sleeping on. This is like the most easiest way to can make money. This is like, they say there's no easy money, but this is the easiest way that you can ever make money. Believe me. I'm talking about affiliating marketing. Is just a way to go. It's like the easy way to make money because you don't need to have the product, you don't need to have you don't need to be the service provider. All you do is just to refer a client. For those that do not know what an affiliation marketing is, I will do in-depth video about this subject because I've been affiliating with many companies and I've been making extra money. It's all about this. You just grab whether 100 rand, 500,000 there, or at the end of the month you accumulate a whole lot and then you can be able to do something with that extra cash. The good news about this video is that I've got a company right for you that you can affiliate with just today. From today you can start making money from today, like Nas today. Just refer a client to us that's looking to build a house. Someone's looking to build a house. We have house plans and best designs, top notch. Top notch. You can even have a look here, guys. I'm posting these pictures. This is our work. So refer a client to us and we'll give you 15% of whatever amount the client is going to be paying. Let's say now they want to buy a 3.5 house plan. You're going to get 15% of that 3.5. Calculate how much is that. That's about 600 or so, but it's an easy money, guys. So if you are looking for a house plan, or you know someone who's looking for a house plan, and you just post in your timeline, you just talk to your cousins, your sisters, anyone, and you get to score yourself 15% of whatever amount they're going to be paying. So how much you make will depend on how many customers you refer them to us. But I'm saying 600 in your pocket is better than 0 rand at the end of the month. It's better. So the more clients you refer to us, the more money you make. So that's the best deal that I have. So if you think you can pull this off, contact details are down in the description box there. If you want to see our work, our Facebook, our social media pages basically are there. So go see the work that we do and contact us if you want to be part of us. Bring those clients to us and we are going to give you money. We are sharing is caring at the end of the day. So thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you guys are going to be contacting me with regards to making money by selling our house plans. So yes, thank you. Bye bye.